So, okay, for the first part of the video homework, I'm gonna talk about the problem 3, and firstly is question 1. So, we got some solution here. Yeah. So, the problem of the first question is that we want to find the probability that data 0 is received. So, the probability data 0 received. So, in order to find the probability that data 0 is received, let's first denote this event as R0. Yeah. So let's find something in the picture here. So we can find the two situations, in this event. The first situation is that the data 0 is transmitted and received. And the second situation is that data 0 is received, but data 1 is transmitted. So we got two situations. The first one is data 0 received given 1 is transmitted. And the second situation is that 0 received given 0 transmitted. So the answer of this question is that probability of R0 equals to the probability of this two event, right? So also let's make the notation R01 means the 0 received given 1 transmitted, and let's write this here, R01, and R00 means 0 received given 0 transmitted. So the probability of R0 equals to the probability of R01 plus probability of R00. So yeah. So the next step is to find all the numbers needed here. Yeah, the first one is the probability of 1 transmitted. Yeah, it's 0.4 times the probability that 0 received given the situation that 1 transmitted. So it's actually 0.2. Yeah. Plus the second event here, the first probability is the 0 transmitted, which is 0.6, and 0 received given the situation that 0 transmitted, which is 0.7. Yeah. So in an easy calculation here, we can get 0.5 as the answer to this question. So okay, let's jump to the second question. And the second question is the probability of error. Yeah, probability of error. So, and we have the definition of error here. It's also two events. The first one is 1 received given 0 transmitted. And the second situation is 0 received given 1 transmitted. So this is the definition of the arrow, and it's easy to understand, right? Because the signal we received is not the same as the signal we transmitted. So of course this is an arrow, and then in order to get its probability, let's note R arrow as the event of arrow, and the R10 as the event that 1 received given 0 transmitted, and R01 denote that 0 received given 1 transmitted. So the probability we want is the sum of these two events. So these two events. So actually we can get P probability of arrow equals to probability of R10 plus probability of R01. So also let's find the number we need here. The first probability of R10 is that the probability of 1 transmitted, which is 0.4, times the probability that 0 is received and 1 is transmitted, which is 0.2. Yeah, and it's the same as the first question. And the second probability here is the probability of 0 received, probability of 1 transmitted, which is no, actually it's there's a little arrow here, it's a little mistake here. Let's go back to the first equation. The probability of R10 is 0 transmitted and 1 received, so it's actually 0.6 times 0.3. Yeah, and 0.6 is the probability that 0 is transmitted, and 0.3 is the probability that 1 is received, plus the probability of R10, and we can find the probability of 1 is transmitted is 0.4, and the probability of 0 is received given the situation that 1 is transmitted is 0.2. So also easy calculation, we can get 0.26 as the answer. So the probability of the arrow happen is 0.26. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.